Welcome to the CTS London office. To get in, you'd need a pass, otherwise you need to press the doorbell. You'll be let in by somebody at the reception. This is the ground floor, which is one level of the co-working space. You'll see there's a large kitchen and an agenda of community events that are going on. The people will greet you at the front desk, let you know where to go for the lift, or you can help yourself to a coffee and a tea. Downstairs, we've got more co-working areas as well as all of the meeting rooms and pods. You're free to use those if you need to. We've also got access to bike storage if you've got a pass. And if you've been working out and you want to take a shower, we have towel service and 2 fully stocked showers downstairs. In the lifts, you always press the 4th floor. That's where our office is. When you get to the 4th floor, you need to go straight through the door, turn a right, and you'll see our office. We've got some phone booths accessible to us for you to hold some private meetings if you need to, and we've got a stocked kitchen as well. In the office, we're fully set up and ready for you to go, even with a dog basket, and we've got a fridge.